Why do 92% of students wish they could make money from home? Because textbooks don't pay for themselves. Here are 10 ways you can actually do it today. Let's dive in. First up, freelancing. Got skills in writing, design, or coding? Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer let you turn your talents into cash. Next, try online tutoring. If you ace certain subjects, teach them on sites like Preply or tutor.com, set your own rates and help others ace their classes. Content creation is huge. Start a YouTube channel, blow up on TikTok, or write on Medium. Entertain, educate, and earn through ads and sponsorships. What about affiliate marketing? Share product links from Amazon or Arwin and get paid every time someone shops from your recommendation. Love creating? Sell digital products like ebooks or printables on Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable. Build once, sell forever. Taking online surveys on Swagbucks, Toluna, or Inbox dollars won't make you rich, but it's easy side cash during study breaks. Organized? Virtual assistant gigs on Belay or Zirtual pay you to help busy people manage their lives. Fast typist? Transcription jobs with Rev or TranscribeMe pay you to turn audio into text. Want to run a shop without any inventory? Dropshipping or print on demand via Shopify or Printful could be your thing. Finally, if you're bilingual, earn by translating documents on Gengo or ProZ. So what's stopping you? Pick one, start today, and let your side hustle pay for that next coffee or your college tuition.